Okay, monkey, we're rolling. She likes being filmed, and I got the camera out, so she decided, hey, I'm gonna come hang out and see what you're doing, because I really think she just enjoys being on camera, don't you, monkey girl? So hey folks, Sunsaver here. I just wanted to make another short video. Like, all of a sudden there's like all kind of traffic and noise out here, and so much for the social isolation. Typically during a weekday, it's very quiet out here. Birds only, but there's trucks and dogs barking. Usually just a lot of birds out here. Quite peaceful most of the time, but such is the way of Murphy's Law. You try to film and a blooper is going to happen somewhere along the line. Monkeygirl came out here too, and she's like, hey, when are you going to turn that camera on and start filming? What are you doing? I was like, okay, well, I guess I better go ahead and start filming, huh, monkey? Say hi to the camera. Okay, yeah, you like that, don't you? She's a narcissist, I think. So, I just really wanted to make a film about this Cleavers, is what this is called. This is a wild edible that grows in the southeastern U.S. This is my favorite green. I mean, I like mustard greens a lot, and I like spinach a lot, and collard greens. Turnip greens are okay. I think mustard greens really is my other favorite. Look, there she's chowing down already. Here, monkey. She loves it. She's eating on it. She knows, hey, if he's picking that, it's edible. So anyhow, I call this Velcro weed, though. The common name is Cleavers, but it has these tiny little hooks on here, and it will stick to your clothing. And it also, when it makes seed, it makes these little cockleburs, these little spiny seeds that will stick on the cat's fur. So you don't really have to cultivate this plant. Maybe just weed around it. And of course, there's other weeds here, so I haven't weeded around these, but this is just sort of a wild area in my backyard here. But anywhere along the trails, and anywhere that you just don't mow it, if you don't mow it, and if you have cats particularly, the cats will spread the seeds around, because the little cockleburs, the little spiny seeds will stick to the cat's fur, and dogs and other pets, wild animals, if there's a trail where wild animals, and it will grow sort of out in the woodland areas too. So it's fairly shade tolerant, I would say, if not sort of preferring the shade maybe. I don't really see it out in the open a whole lot. It's usually sort of at the edge of the wood line and sort of in semi-shady areas. But all you do is I go around and I pinch these growing tips, and then you have these larger leaves. You're really small, so it's kind of a pain to harvest. But what you can do, you just sort of sweep around. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but I just kind of sweep around and grab all those leaves and pinch them off, and leave that main, the large stem is a little bit, has some strings in it. It's not really woody or anything, it just has a few strings. So I just like to have a creamier sort of greens. But that's just extra fiber. You could do the stem and the whole plant, but I also want to just leave most of the plant behind, so it will go ahead and seed, and everywhere you pinch it, it'll branch, and so you'll get even more little growing tips. And after just a couple of years of leaving it alone and not mowing it, not weeding it, it sort of spreads around. It's not terribly invasive, so it will gradually, you'll get enough of it that you can make a meal out of it pretty easily. So anyhow, so I just go around, pinch all these little tips, and like I said, just kind of sweep around. It's like here's an area with some little larger leaves. They're not really huge, but so I just kind of sweep around it like that, and just pinch them all off. And do that for a while, and you got a handful, and throw it in the bag, and pretty soon you got enough to make a meal. So anyhow, the way I cook this is just boil it for a few minutes. I don't really drain the water either. You can just boil it, steam it even, and put some sweet cream butter and a little bit of sea salt, crushed sea salt, Himalayan salt, some pure sweet cream butter. It's really delicious. Like I said, this is my favorite green of all, really. I like it better than Swiss chard or even spinach. And yeah, just a little salt and butter, but it's a good survival weed, help you survive the COVID-19 apocalypse. I know a lot of people are concerned about their food and their food supply, or oh, you know, what if I have to be on lockdown and I can't get food? So I would just say don't panic about that. From what I hear, our food supply is well stocked. It's just they're having a hard time keeping the shelves full because everybody's trying to hoard food. There's really no need to do that. It's more important to just sort of maintain some distance between other people and avoid large gatherings. Apparently this is a very highly infectious illness that spreads rapidly, and so just stay safe, guys and gals. And like I said, I just wanted to go around and show this plant. It's a beautiful day out here, birds singing and sun out finally. It's been quite a while since we have not had much sun lately in this part of the world. It's been raining a lot. The climate change has been pretty devastating. So very thankful to have some sunshine today, and I feel blessed. A friend brought quite a bit of food over the other day, which I didn't really need. My pantry's pretty well stocked, but I was kind of low on snacks and things, and so she brought me some snacks too, and I just wanted to say thanks a lot for that. Very blessed to have so many good friends out there, and I just really wish we didn't have to go through this pandemic crisis that we're going through right now, but just trying to make the best of it and spend some time with my sweet monkey girl. Say hi again there to everybody, Monkey. Hey, turn around. There she is. Hey, you got a pretty face. Come on. Hey, pretty girl. Let's see that pretty face. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, Monkey. Still filming you, baby. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Ah, she's so cute. Yo! Oh! Yeah, she's so cute. She likes to roll around. She likes to roll around in the grass. In the straw. You take a roll in the hay with me, Monkey Girl? See, we can roll around in this hay out here. Okay, folks. Y'all stay safe. Just wanted to say thanks for watching.